Love Attraction Oil. This dish uses the aromatherapeutic homes of essential oil in addition to the herbs. The oils noted below are all related to love, and you can create a custom-made blend of several of them that is pleasing to you. Make certain not to ever position necessary oils directly on your skin, as they are extremely concentrated and likely to cause inflammation. You will require a few to the number of drops increased sandalwood, ylang ylang, and our important jasmine oil, 12 cup almond oil, 1 tablespoon dried lavender, 1 tablespoon dried chamomile, 2 teaspoons powdered cinnamon. Directions: follow the preliminary instructions for prosperity oil above. After shaking the container to spread out the herbs through the oil, open it once again and add a few drops of the important oil. Then reseal the container and shake once again. Open it and breathe in the fragrance. If it does not have a strong adequate scent, include more essential oil. Repeat this process up until you're pleased with the scent, and then hold the jar in your hands and spend a few moments imagining the feeling of being unabashedly adored by an ideal partner. Leave the jar in a cool, dark location for 3 to 5 days and stress the herbs if preferred. Similar to the success oil, you can use this oil for blessing candles and tools. However, make certain to use it on your skin when you go out to attract love.